Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. I'm currently visiting Lake Tahoe in California, home to the largest alpine lake in North America and the highest concentration of ski resorts in the United States. If you watched my video on Palisades Tahoe, today I'm exploring Alpine Meadows, the other half of the two resorts that make up Palisades Tahoe. Alright, let's go. Alpine Meadows is located in North Lake Tahoe and is one of the two resorts part of Palisades Tahoe. Together, there are over 600 acres of skiable terrain, making it the largest ski resort in the region. While the Palisades side of the resort is more famous as the host of the 1960 Olympics, Alpine Meadows offer a charming local ski resort experience. I flew to the closest airport in Reno, Nevada, and stayed in the town of Truckee, which is a 20-minute car ride from Alpine Meadows. Compared to the Palisades, Alpine is less built up, there's no on-site lodging options, and there are not as many restaurants and shops inside the resort. Alpine has a very easy to navigate layout. You can access the whole mountain right from the main lodge area at the base of the mountain. If you're an intermediate skier or snowboarder, you'll love Alpine. 45% of the terrain is designated as blue groomers. My favorite is taking the summit lift chair, which brings you to the highest point of the mountain. Here you'll have one of the most beautiful views of Lake Tahoe and access to blue and black runs. However, the weather on the summit changes quickly, so you might get a beautiful clear sky on one run and crazy wind that could blow you over on the next. This is especially fun on a powder day. Alpine Meadows also has many side trails and hidden runs. My favorite is Hot Wheel Gully, which is like a mini half pipe. When the mountain gets busy, I like to take the tree-lined cirque lift and head to the backside of the mountain, which are the Sherwood and Lakeview areas. In both areas, you'll find breathtaking view of Lake Tahoe and wide, long-groomed intermediate runs.
Wow! So beautiful!
This side of the mountain also gets a lot of sun, so you'll get spring ski-like conditions on a sunny day.
We have 1 hour to talk about this. When the timer goes off, that's it.
The Sherwood area has a lot of skiable but ungroomed terrain, perfect for powder lovers. If you're a beginner or looking to hit the park, you might have a better experience on the Palisades side, as Alpine only has 2 beginner runs serviced by the Subway and Meadows lift. It also has a much smaller park area compared to Palisades. However, I actually learned how to snowboard at Alpine Meadows, so if you're just learning, it might be enough. Alpine is also a great mountain for advanced skiers and snowboarders, with some of the most popular ones requiring a hike off of the Summit Express. In terms of food, there are plenty of options at the Ming Lodge at the base of the mountain. There are also a few cafes spread throughout the resort, with my favorite being Old Grad Cafe located near the subway lift. After you've explored the Alpine side, you can take the base-to-base gondola to the Palisades side of the resort, as your ticket gives you access to both resorts. The gondola takes around 15 minutes and gives you a beautiful view of the surrounding mountains. Thank you for joining me today. I'll see you next time.